Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use concatenate in Excel with dash. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a customer name column and location. So here I'm going to join both column together with dash. So simply use the is equal to and concatenate. Select the concatenate functions, and after that select the first text, use the comma, and then select the second text and bracket closed and enter. But here you see the both name is joined together, but here the dash is not showing. For that, just double click and edit the formula. So I edit here the formula. I remove the second text. After the comma, use the double quote, then use the dash, double quote, again use the comma, and then select the text number 2 and bracket closed, enter. That's it. Here you see the both text is joined together with dash. Simply drag this formula below the cell. So I just drag this, okay, and that's it. Here you see the all name, customer name and location joined together with dash. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.